Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing one of my favorite go-to recipes. So I will be showing you how I make my tuna pasta salad. So if you are ready, let's see what ingredients I will be using for my recipe. I have my 2 cans of tuna soaked in water, not the vegetable oil. Next, I have my Goya seasoning salt. For my flavors, I have some garlic powder as well as some onion powder. Some lemon pepper seasoning. I have some lemon juice for my tuna. Some Miracle Whip mayo. You can use a mayo of your choice. And finally, 4 cups of cooked and chilled pasta. For my vegetables, I have 3 green onions and a 1/4 piece of green bell pepper. Next, I'm finely chopping my vegetables and setting them aside. Next, I'm going to drain the water out of the 2 cans of tuna and place it into a small bowl. I'm using a fork to break up the chunks of tuna. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to my tuna so that it doesn't have that strong fish scent to it. For my dry seasonings, I'm sprinkling some lemon pepper to cover my tuna. I'm also lightly sprinkling some onion powder, some garlic powder, some seasoning salt to taste. Now I'm mixing all my ingredients together and I'm making sure to spread my seasonings evenly throughout the tuna. Next, I'm mixing in half of the chopped vegetables. I'm sprinkling some additional garlic powder. Now I'm moving on to my pasta. I'm pouring my pasta into a large bowl and I'm using my flat spatula to break the pasta apart. My pasta is ready and loose. So now I'm ready to add my seasoned tuna. I'm using my flat spatula to mix and spread the seasoned tuna with the cold pasta evenly. I'm also adding the remainder of the chopped vegetables, as well as 3 tablespoons of mayo. I'm mixing all my ingredients together.
so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you.
I'm adding an extra tablespoon of mayo to my pasta salad because once I refrigerate it, I want it to remain moist. I just found my missing ingredient. I'm going to finely chop 1/3 to 1/4 piece of onion and I'm going to mix it into my pasta salad. My pasta salad is finally prepared, so I'm going to place it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to serve. But if I would like to eat it in the next few minutes, I will place it in the freezer for about 5 to 6 minutes and then I can serve it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.